Hi, hello everyone. This is Howard. So I'm the DevRel Asia lead in Tom Foundation. So does anyone heard about Tom before? I know you probably CertiK, so you definitely know about Tom. So yeah, so I just want to share with you some of the technology side about Tom blockchain and how we can achieving like tapping into the 200 million DAU, right? So let's start it. So hours ago, the blog just have this kind of a post. So Telegram just announced we'll have a Telegram ads and Telegram revenue to build based on the Tang coin. So you can, if you are interested, you can check about the blog later on. Because I don't have that time to prepare with that so deeply. But if you are interested in more, please scan the QR code to join our group chat first. So maybe we will potentially have an airdrop using some kind of a Telegram feature, but feel free to join. So yeah, let's start it. So a little bit introduced about myself. I joined Binance in 2018 until 2021. And then I tried to build, join a venture fund in 2021 and trying to build project in 2022 until the FTX crash. So that's the reason why I pivot into Tom blockchain maybe 1 year ago. So yeah, so basically I'm joined like Tom ecosystem like a year ago. Yeah. So this is a rule-free graph to share with you about our ecosystem. We have a different kind of project. We have a Dexis Explorer wallet, but maybe you haven't heard about any other before, but I will just bring you into the Tang ecosystem with more deeply introduction. So before we join about our ecosystem, I want to share with you our dev community. So I think tracking with the data is more straightforward. As you can see, our developer amount of the people in our group chat just double within a year. So I think this is more straightforward to say, we have more developer to join our ecosystem for the last 12 months without, Tang coin pump or something. So I think we are very developer focused. And as you can see, Electric Capital have one of the developer report, right? Tang is in the number 5 growing on the list. But on the other hand, if you do some kind of analysis, have you noticed other top 4 blockchain have some kind of feature or difference between Tang? Have you noticed any difference? So quick forward, I will say the top 4 blockchain in here, they just launching the token for the last 12 months. So they getting the developer for potential airdrop incentive to get the, people submit the PR on GitHub repo, rather than Tangcoin already have we already have a token. So we are not tracking the developer based on the potential airdrop. So I will say we are very developer driven to join our community. So if you check about that, Tang would be more than outperformance than any other airdrop blockchain. So I would say we are very, very developer driven in many cases. But maybe everyone in here never heard about Tang blockchain because we have a few challenges, right? First of all, we have the new smart contract language. So it's not EVM capable. We have smart contract language, it's called tag language and function. So quick forward, we have pretty C-like language. It's more difficult to learn, so it's C-like. The reason why we have less language because we are non-EVM. So we have higher TPS because our smart contract language is more difficult to learn. But I want to quick forward for this because I want to waste a lot of time to explain about too much technical side. And if you take a screenshot over here, you can see we have 2 languages. Tag is more like Solidity driven. So if you are a Solidity developer, you can easily learn about the left side of the language. So you can easily build stuff within a week if you are never built on Tang. So yeah, this is one part. The other challenge would be we don't have the Oracle for the last 12 months or back in the day. So quick forward, if you go to a DeFi Llama, if you check about non-EVM chain, the people always will talk about Solana, right? When you talk about non-EVM chain. But the problem is, if you go to a full list of non-EVM chain, lots of VC so into non-EVM chain because they believe non-EVM chain will definitely have like at least 20% of TVL. So I just want to say, if you go to DeFi Llama, Peng is the last one for the TVL. So we still have way more we can improve from non-EVM world for TVL side. But let's do a comparison. So here's a roughly table between Ethereum, Solana, and Peng. TLDR, Peng has like 5-second finality. So if you send in a transaction after 5 seconds, you can use your data, so on and so forth. And more than that, we have like sharding support. So sharding support is already layered since our day one. So I would say we are pretty having lots of technical stuff you can try out. On the other hand, if you are more interested about this, you can scan the QR code to do there's a white paper to do the comparison between Peng, Solana, and Ethereum for more deeper technical side. But we just launched with a partnership with Redstone because we will have like Oracle support, so on and so forth. And one of the interesting stuff would be we don't have a stablecoin right now. But if you go to a list, I would say within a few months we will have a native stablecoin on the graph. So I would say one of the stablecoin will launch on Peng blockchain, so on and so forth. So you can you will see more DeFi project in our ecosystem after we have a native stablecoin. But we also have a few advantage, which is high TPS. So what is concept about TPS, right? TPS is transaction per second. So if you do like roughly number, the Visa card is only 6,000 TPS, as you can see. So, Durav, the founder of Telegram, he just shared this post to do like a comparison. Say, Peng blockchain just have over 100,000 TPS in our production level. So if you do a chart like here, you can see Peng has a greater TPS than any other blockchain. So it's pretty cool. So we will explain why we can have this kind of TPS. So if you are interested, you can scan the QR code to check about how we share about we achieving this 100,000 TPS in production environment. More than Solana, right? So, On the other hand, I think when people talk about Peng blockchain, will be the user base, right? Because every bull cycle, we need to talk about the narratives and what is narrative, right? So, how much time do you spend on your phone every day? Too much time, maybe 24 hours, right? So this is my battery consuming. You can see no matter what, besides entertainment, which is I spend most of the time on Instagram, you can see Telegram will be my most usage application. No matter I need to send a message to my coworker, or let's say every crypto user have the Telegram, right? Does anyone don't have the Telegram on your cell phone? If it's definitely not, because you're probably not a crypto user if you don't have. So, this is the data from Statista. They just have to say, right now Telegram have 800 million active users, and we are just trying to onboarding these 800 million users into blockchain. So you can imagine that if we can convert those 1% of the people to on-chain level, there'll be 8 million active users. That'll be more than any other blockchain combined right now in this space. So I would say, pretty exciting to bringing more users to our ecosystem. So this is a second advantage. On the other hand, I just want to share with you one kind of technical stuff would be mini app framework. So what is mini app? Sorry, I cannot show in the video, but you can check this QR code is called Burger King. So basically, you can accessing build a website still inside the Telegram. And the reason why we have this kind of feature because you can scan this QR code to follow check with a bot. It's called T-App Center. So this bot will showing you all the mini app we have in the ecosystem. So yeah, feel free to scan if you are interested to check more about mini app. But I will show you more example about mini app because the previous video doesn't work. So cool. So what is the biggest mini app right now in the Telegram system would be Egg Wallet. So I suppose now promote this. So this is just technical sharing. If you go to a Telegram, you search wallet, you can access this bot. This bot was built by Mini App Framework. So Mini App Framework will be just like front-end pages. As you can see, I open with a one wallet inside the Telegram. The reason why you don't know this, because if you are Americans or if you are using US phone number, unfortunately, we cannot service this product for you. So if you are not using non-US phone number, you can talk with me later on. I can send you like some kind of a demo to open your first Telegram wallet. And also, we also have Wallet Pay. So yes, it works. So Wallet Pay is more like Alipay. You can have a QR code, no matter you're a restaurant owner, so on and so forth. Your client can scan the QR code, then spend the money on Telegram wallet. So this is backend level. If you are vendor side, you will have this kind of pages, so you can manage your wallet, so people can spend in the money on Telegram to pay you the money. So this is the Wallet Pay. But also, we also have like Tongue-based wallet. So Tongue-based wallet will be inside our Telegram wallet or wallet system. So you will have an on-chain wallet based on a few clicks inside the Telegram. So this is called Tongue Connect. I just will quickly forward to demo about the example. So Tongue Connect, if you are building an app using Tongue Connect, so Tongue Connect is more like Wallet Connect. You can see we have an open wallet on Telegram. That means you can build any D app for your users, and your user, without knowing private key, they will have one single, with a few clicks, they will able to have the on-chain wallet. So as you can see, this is one example. It's called Stone Trade Bot. This is our first on-chain derivatives in Tongue blockchain. You can see the user flow is so smooth that your user, without noticing, they are sending the on-chain transaction. So yeah, I will just quickly bring you introduce about the Telegram stuff, wallet stuff, and Tongue blockchain stuff. So yeah, we have so many stuff we want to share, but because we don't have like so much time to share, we have the ads, we have the mini app, and Tongue blockchain stuff. So if you are interested, feel free to join our community. So if you want to learn more, you can scan the QR code to join our full list about our community. We have different community chat. And by the way, this is one feature from Telegram team. You can scan the QR code to join the full list of the group chat. So yeah. And yeah, I don't want to share with you some other DF. But on the other hand, in the end, I want to share with you some alpha. This is one of the great example about our community. It's called Notcoin. You can scan the QR code to access this Telegram bot. They will launch in a token with a few months or weeks. So basically, this is a mini app you can click to earn a coin. So you can see just a few clicks, you can try to enjoy, you can just click and earn. So it sounds pretty dummy, but right now they have 25 million users already. So I would say this will be the biggest on-chain gaming in the near future. So yeah, this is kind of example. So it's quite interesting. In the end, I just want to share with you more. Everyone know about Matt Huang, right? He's the founder of the Paradigm. Paradigm is the one biggest successful crypto venture firm right now in the space. He had this kind of post: who are the best role model in crypto besides of Vitalik? Do you have any answer for this? Who's your best role model? Probably not Sam, probably not CZ anymore. No? BRC20. Yeah, maybe. So I would say right now Durov, the founder of Telegram, he is kind of a role model besides Vitalik. Why? Because lots of Russian developers just so into the idea he want to build. He just want to build a decentralized world. So I would say and able to building the stuff Tom blockchain is one kind of the most exciting stuff for me. So yeah, happy to have you everyone to join Tom blockchain. If you want to build more, can contact with me. Yeah. So thank you so much.